here we have a buttercream finish cake. I'm not a huge fan of buttercream finish because I'm not very good at it. I sort of practiced from the beginning with fondant, so that's definitely my stronger point. Luckily, this one wanted to look a bit rustic, with the sort of rings going around it all the way up. So it didn't have to be perfectly neat, which is always good. But this is a 60th for a mum on a 60th, so I think the colours are just gorgeous. So it's got like an ombre effect going up, and then I've matched it with some artificial flowers, and I've dipped some Lindt chocolates and some little mini eggs in, well, I've rolled them in some rose gold luster dust just to finish it off. And then I've topped it with a little cake balloon and a little cake topper that says happy birthday. So yeah, as I say, buttercream isn't my strongest point. More practice is required. But it's pretty, really pretty.